Hi, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. This is Abdul, your Chinese language instructor. I am pleased to introduce you the new series which will be helpful to increase your listening capabilities of Chinese language. Please get ready your notebook and a pen. In every episode, at first you will listen twice one paragraph in Chinese. Listen carefully and try to remember the details told in the paragraph. After that, you will get 5 questions. Write down the answers of these 5 questions on your notebook. To examine your work, find the solved key in the description link. Each question contains 2 marks. Check your answers and share your results with me and with friends in the comments. Check out of 10 how much marks you gain. So let's move on.
在中国这清真饭店不太难找，你们知道为什么？因为在中国有很多兰州拉面店，多半是清真的。你们可以买拉面、炒面、土豆丝、米饭、孜然羊肉等等。每个清真餐厅有标牌写清真，小心一点，每个餐厅不是清真的。在中国这清真饭店不太难找，你们知道为什么？因为在中国有很多兰州拉面店，多半是清真的。你们可以买拉面、炒面、土豆丝、米饭、孜然羊肉等等。每个清真餐厅有标牌写清真，小心一点，每个餐厅不是清真的。
Question number 1.
在中国找清真饭难不难？在中国找清真饭难不难？
Question number 2.
中国有什么拉面店？中国有什么拉面店？
Question number 3.
每个拉面店是清真的吗？每个拉面店是清真的吗？
Question number 4.
怎么知道一个饭店是清真的？怎么知道一个饭店是清真的？
Question number 5.
他们也卖米饭吗？他们也卖米饭吗？
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.